Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you people are good, right? Yes. So, we have already done till chapter number 12 with exercise, right? So, now today we are going to start chapter 13. Chapter 13 name is Travel and Communication. Yes. So now open the page number 74 or chapter number 13, Travel and Communication. So let's start. So first we mention the date. So today's date is 3 of September. So we write date 03/09/2020. So first thing is, what is the meaning of travel and communication? Right? Communicate. So travel means transport, helps us to move from one place to another. Transport help us to move from one place to another, right? Yes. And now communication means communication helps us to stay connected with our loved ones, connected with phone, mobile phone, WhatsApp, and etc. And it also helps to keep apprised of everything going on around us, right? Yes. Now in today's world, transparent and communication are very necessary in everyone, right? Yes. Now we talk about means of transport. So what is the meaning of transport? Means of transport. So we use different vehicles to travel by road, rail, air, and on water. These are called means of transport: land transport, rail transport, water transport, and etc. So road transports are like car, bus, cycle, motorcycle, auto rickshaw, scooter, truck, right? Yes. So we use road transport like motorcycle, cycle or cycle, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, truck to travel by road. And motor vehicles have engines, right? Like this. We use road transport like motor vehicles, cycles or cycle rickshaw to travel by road. And motor vehicles have engines that use petrol or diesel, right? Yes. And a cart is also a vehicle, right? Cart, bullock cart. Do you know bullock cart? Yes. Did you see ever? Yes. So a cart is a vehicle with 2 or 4 wheels. It is pulled by animals like ox, camel, horse, and bullock to carry loads, right? And some carts are also carry people. Now we talk about rail transport. Rail transport, train, right? Chuk chuk train. Yes. And train move on rails. And we travel long distance by them, right? And its engine runs on electricity, coal or diesel, and a train has an engine and many coaches, right? Yes. And its engine runs on electricity, coal or diesel. And passenger trains carry people from one place to another. And good trains carry things, right? Yes. And now we talk about water transport. So water transport are sailboat, ship, steamer, cargo ship, boat, right? Yes. We use water transport to cross a sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. And cargo ship, what is the meaning of cargo ship? Cargo ship carry heavy loads. And ship, steamer, boat and sailboat are means of water transport, right? Now when we talk about air transport like aeroplane, helicopter. Exact meaning of aeroplane and helicopter are aeroplane and helicopter are the fastest means of transport, right? And we travel long and very long distances by air. Yes, and we can reach far off countries in a few hours by them, like aeroplane and helicopter. They also carry loads, right? Yes. Now if you talk about special vehicles, so what are special vehicles? Special vehicles are some vehicles which are used for a special purpose, like fire engine, firefighters, ambulance, hot air balloon, cable car, etc. And what is the work of fire engine? A fire engine carries equipment and firefighters to put out fires. And ambulance takes sick or injured people to a hospital, right? And what is the meaning of cable car? A cable car is pulled by a moving metal rope. It carries passenger up and down a mountain. Yes. And hot air balloon? A hot air balloon is a large balloon filled with hot air that rises in the air. It has a basket to carry passengers, right? And it is not used for transport but for fun, right? Yes. Now this is the last topic of your chapter, means of transport. We speak means of communication. Means we speak, write and use signs and sounds to share ideas and information with each other, right? These are means of communication. Means of communication are letter, fax, email, telephone, mobile phone. And we also communicate through messages, and messages may be written or spoken, right? Yes, we can send written message through a letter, and urgent written messages can be sent through fax and email, etc. And we can talk and listen to a person over telephone, and it is the quickest means of communication, telephone or mobile phone, right? Yes. So thank you so much class, and have a nice day.